How to convert Hamster Kombat tokens to US dollars or Naira. Today, I will teach you how to convert your Hamster Kombat tokens to US dollars and withdraw to your US dollar bank account. If you are not a US citizen or you do not reside in the United States, don't worry, I will teach you how to create a US dollar bank account legally in your name. And it works perfectly well, and also it is legal. However, for this to work, you will need a valid means of identification like international passport or driver's license, and also a valid utility bill for your address verification. Now, as a bonus, I'll also teach you how to convert your Hamster Kombat tokens to Naira or other local fiat currencies of your choice. Now, let's get started. Okay guys, so straight and direct to the point, for you to convert your Hamster Kombat tokens to US dollars, you are going to need 4 apps. Now, first of all, you are going to need the Hamster Kombat itself. Then secondly, you are going to need your Bybit account. Yes. And third, you are going to need a Skrill account. Yes, if you don't know Skrill, this is Skrill. Okay, you are going to need a Skrill account. And then fourth, you are going to need an app that will give you US dollar bank account. Now, there are 3 apps that can give you US dollar bank account, so keep watching this video. So this is not a long process. Don't be scared of the apps because the same ID card can be used to verify these apps and they don't even take up to 24 hours. Okay, so let's get right into it. So the first thing you are going to do is to come to this airdrop, click on it, and make sure you've connected a wallet, okay, your withdrawal option. For me, I am choosing Bybit. Okay, that is what I love, and I prefer to use Bybit because I can be able to use the P2P option on Bybit to convert my money to US dollars or to Naira if I want. So once you've connected this, we wait till the 26th of September, and after that day or on that day exactly, we are going to withdraw your tokens to Bybit. Someone like me, I'm using Bybit. Okay, if you're using Binance, hopefully it's going to be the same process, but this process is specifically for Bybit, okay? So once you've withdrawn from Bybit right here, and your tokens enter your Bybit account, your Hamster Kombat tokens enter your Bybit account, the next thing you're going to do is what? Is to come to market and trade it, okay? You can come here and trade HMSTR against USDT, okay? Come to trade right here and trade, okay? Yes, convert, move this from limit, if it's in limit, move it to market order, okay? And then you can select the amount you want to trade and then click on sell short. You convert it to USDT. Another option you can do is to just use convert. When you come to more right here, you search convert, okay? This is convert, and you can what? Convert your Hamster Kombat tokens. You search for HMSTR. It's not here right now because it has not listed on the exchange, but it's in the Web3. Okay, you just search for HMSTR and replace it and then convert it to USDT. The next thing you're going to do after converting your money to USDT is to make sure that you transfer your USDT to your funding wallet. Okay, how do you do that? Come to assets right here, okay, and you click on transfer, okay, and you do what? Swap from unified trading to your funding account. So you come here and select what? USDT, okay? Yeah, and then you click on max and move it or transfer it from your unified trading account to your funding account. Now, when it's there, we now head over to what? To P2P. We'll come back home and we go to P2P. And right here on P2P, the next thing you're going to do is to what? Come here, written NG, and click on it, and you search US dollars, okay? Yes. And once it comes out right here, you click on sell, okay, because you're trying to sell your USDT to US dollars. And the next thing you're going to do is what? Come to this payment method, click on it, and you search for what? Skrill. Search for Skrill. It's permitted in Nigeria. You don't have to use any VPN for any of these apps that I'm showing you right now. Okay, now you can see, now it depends on how much USDT you have. Okay, if you can see this guy selling from 50 to 150 US dollars. And remember that before you put Skrill right here, make sure that you've gone to create a Skrill account. Okay, download Skrill, create a Skrill account, and verify your ID card, and verify your identity, okay, and your address. Okay, so when you've done that, the email you use to sign up on your Skrill is your Skrill account number. So what you just have to do is what? Select maybe anyone you want, any of the guys you want, and you can see payment method Skrill, click on it. If you've not added your payment method, click on add payment method and you can see, click on this place and you search, you do what? Search for what? Skrill. Look at it right here, Skrill. You can select Skrill and the name will have to match, and the payment details is what? Just put in the name. Will have to be the same. Make sure the name is the same, your Bybit name. So you put in your Skrill email address right here and you click on what? Confirm. I have done that. Okay, so what I just have to do is what? Put in the amounts here, the amount of crypto you want. Okay, let's assume you have 300 USDT. You put 300 USDT and what? Click on what? Sell. Now this person is going to credit your Skrill and then you release the USDT to this guy. Now let us head over to Skrill right now and let me show you something really interesting. Right now you can see some of the transactions I've been making. You can see I've been sending funds. Okay, I've been sending out. You can see I sent out $19. Okay, yes, to this guy, and you can see I have been receiving and I've been sending. Okay, now what you're just going to do is once you've received your Skrill right here, come here and click on what? Transfer. And you click on what? Send to yourself. Okay, and when you click on send to yourself, you can see right here that I have my Nigerian GT bank linked on my Skrill, meaning that what I can transfer this money to my GTB dollar bank account. And once I transfer to my GTB dollar bank account, I am going to receive US dollars, which I can be able to go and withdraw over the counter, or leave it there to hold it against the Naira, probably hoping that once the Naira rises or gains value against the US dollar, I'll sell it and make more profit. I can actually transfer to my GTB dollar bank account. You can go to any of your Nigerian bank accounts and ask them the requirements to open a Nigerian bank account. But let's say you don't have that time and you don't want to go through the stress of going to the bank to queue and bring all those documents. Another thing is to submit one of these apps. The apps that I'm going to show you right now, they are going to give you US dollar bank account legitimately in your name. They are going to be what? 3 apps that I'm going to show you. Okay, now this is GigPay, and right from here, if you click here, you can see all the available accounts that I have. You can see my account is really a total of $14.89, which I have 25,000 Naira converted to dollars. This is what it's going to be. So I come right here on accounts, right down here, and click on accounts. And on account, you can see this is US dollars right here, and this is Naira. So when I click on US dollars, you can see my bank account details. Wells Fargo Bank, the account number, checking, routing. Now, for you to get this bank account in this particular app, you will need an employer's details, a registered company that will give you an employment details, which you use to create this. And if you want to get that done, I can actually help you process that document, but it's going to come at a fee. Okay, so you can send me a DM and let us discuss. Although there are other free ones I'm going to show you right after now. So right now, the only thing you have to do is what? To copy these details, okay? And you head over to what? To your Skrill. This is my Skrill. The only thing you have to do right now is what? Come over to this place and then fill in these details. Sometimes for some people on Skrill, they may not be allowed to add a US dollar bank account. Okay, I don't know. Some people might just be permitted to add United Kingdom or some other countries. If for any reason US dollar bank account is not among the options you are given to add, okay, you can simply use your Nigerian GTB dollar bank account. Also take note that this withdrawal method can also take up to 5 business days if you are transferring to a bank account. Another app that can give you a US dollar bank account is this app known as what? Gray. Okay, so on Gray, let me log in real quick. On Gray right here, if you come and click on add, you can see top up via bank account, via bank transfer. You can see your US dollar bank accounts. Okay, this one is totally free. Just complete your KYC. Now the third app that can also give you a US dollar bank account for free is known as what? Clever. The links to all these websites and apps I'm showing you are going to be in my YouTube video description. Okay, yes, so do well to sign up via those links, okay, to support the channel. Okay, right now if you click on accounts right here, click on accounts, you will see the details of this particular bank account. Now heading back to Bybit, if you want to convert your Hamster Kombat tokens to Naira, you do not have to sell to US dollar. The only thing you have to do is this place that will have US dollar, just convert it to your normal NGN, and then once you've converted your Hamster Kombat tokens to USDT, just come to sell and add your filter, your payment method, whether you want to use OPay, PalmPay, or any other bank. You select the amount that you want to sell and you can come and filter and show only eligible ads. Okay, come here and you can sell. Okay, this guy is selling from 100k to 454k, however you want to do it. If you want to sell a lesser amount, you can select amount here. I believe most of us are already doing the P2P, so come here, put in the amount. Let's say you want to sell 50,000 and above. Okay, yeah, so you can actually sell directly to Naira. Okay, if you want to also convert to any other currency of your choice, just come to this currency right here and select any other currency of your choice. I have made several videos on how to convert and trade your Hamster Kombat tokens via the spot market, and also how to withdraw from your Telegram wallet. Now, if you've not seen those videos, I'll leave the link in my YouTube video description. You can as well look at the cards up. It might be here or here for you to watch the videos. Thank you so much for watching till this point. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for always tuning in and watching till the end. And to you, my friend, hands in the head and peace.